Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again, it's the Brat Man. Thank you for all the subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. I got more videos coming. If you guys like dirt bikes and stuff, this is the place to be. So I wanted to talk about this 1988 Suzuki RM250. It's a one-year bike in 1988. 87 and 89 were two totally different bikes, and they had lowered the radiators down for better weight distribution, and I think maybe the fenders might be the same as the 87 and 89. I'm not sure, but mostly this is just a one-year bike. It's absolutely beautiful. Can't say enough good things about this bike. It's got plenty of power, you know, for its age. It's an absolute beast. Very fun to ride. Puts a smile on your face. Can't go wrong with this bike. And check out that jug. Isn't that beautiful? This bike is just unbelievable. The original exhaust. Even has the original radiator cap with the Japanese writing. Original VIN stampings and everything. But yeah, the bike's beautiful. Take a look at the frame. It's a beautiful paint. And this bike has the original title, original certificate of origin with this bike, which is almost impossible to find. And this seat is not the original seat, so the bike isn't fully original, but it's mostly original. And the seat cover is a vintage aftermarket seat cover seat. So I think the original cover is underneath this. I haven't checked, but this is a really cool seat. And the seat, the way they designed this seat in 1988, it's almost like just vertical, like the new CRFs and how the new dirt bikes are. It's just straight across, so you can see where they were going with that type of design. So really cool bike, and it's just beautiful to look at, and it's a blast to ride. It's absolutely fast. The power band is just incredible on this bike, and can't say enough good things about this bike. But this bike was known as the King of Leapers in 1988. You can definitely get this bike up into the air easily. Full floater suspension. This bike's an absolute blast, and there's a lot of bugs out here. So, but yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on this bike. And if you guys like the channel, that's awesome. And I'll be posting more videos of dirt bikes, mostly dirt bikes. If I do cars, trucks too sometimes, a little bit of everything, you know. So if you guys like that stuff, it's awesome. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's just so beautiful to look at this thing. You can see how clean this thing is. It's so clean. Has a little bit of wear, you know, right here from use and stuff, but nothing crazy. The bike looks phenomenal. It sounds great too, and it's a blast to ride. So yeah, if you like these videos, stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos up. Like and subscribe. And yeah, so this is the 88 RM250 beast of a bike. 2 smoke. I think it's a work of art the way they designed this bike. 88 was a really good year for this bike. Now, I know not many people are a fan of the old style stuff, but I mean, this just looks phenomenal. So yeah, I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you for all the subscribers. I'll be posting more videos up soon. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you all later. Be safe out there. Peace and hair grease.